Hey everybody, it's Dan Mikic. If you're looking for a way to keep your Scrum team aligned and avoid miscommunication, then you're in the right place. I'm about to reveal an easy way to eliminate delays and improve team's collaboration without wasting time chasing people down or waiting for follow-ups that never happen. I understand that poor follow-ups in Scrum meetings can be incredibly frustrating, causing missing deadlines and blockers that slow your sprint. But don't worry, because now I'm going to share with you a game-changing technique: how to book a meeting from a meeting, or BAMFAM. Let's dive in BAMFAM. It's a simple and yet powerful technique that ensures your team stays aligned and avoids delays. Here's how you can start using it effectively today. Step number 1. Recognize no man's land. This is when decisions or tasks are left open-ended without clear next steps. For example, during a sprint planning, if a user story isn't fully clarified, don't say, "We'll discuss this later." Instead, BAMFAM it. Commit to scheduling the follow-up conversation immediately, right there in the meeting. Step number 2. Use your calendar in real time. Don't wait until after the meeting to schedule. Open up your calendar while everyone is present. For example, at the end of a daily Scrum, if an impediment is raised, set up breakout session right then and there. This eliminates excuses and ensures accountability. Step number 3. Handle hesitation effectively. Sometimes people resist scheduling follow-ups. Treat this like any other blocker. Ask directly, "Is there a reason we cannot schedule this now?" By addressing hesitation at the moment, you prevent delays caused by unclear commitments. Step number 4. Make BAMFAM part of your team culture. Introduce BAMFAM as a working agreement for your Scrum team. Bring it up during sprint retrospective and agree to hold each other accountable for scheduling next steps before ending any meeting. This turns BAMFAM into a consistent team habit. By using BAMFAM, you will eliminate delays, improved alignment, and save time by cutting out maybe later moments that drag your sprint down. Now, if you are interested in learning more about Scrum techniques that improve team collaboration and productivity, be sure to check out my latest course, Mastering User Stories in Scrum and Understanding User Requirements. You will find the first link in the description down below. And subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss more valuable tips helping you level up your Scrum skills and lead successful Agile teams. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.